How to enable password reset protection. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable password reset protection. First go to Twitter and then go here and now go down and click this one, settings and privacy, and then click here your account, security and account access, and then click this one, security. And now all you need to do is just turn this one on and you need to type your current password and then click OK. And that's how to turn on password reset protection on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.